Alright YouTube, this is DC Toxics here, and I'm just going to show you guys my bird. Got two of them. This is my first bird. Hey Smokey. Smokey. Hang on, you want a peanut? You got peanuts for him. Want a peanut? Go buddy. You like peanuts, don't you? Peanut loving eating bird. His name's Smokey Joe. He's an awesome bird, so yeah. Here's my other bird. He's a dick. His name's Rocky. Don't hit the camera. Dick face. Dick. Dick. You're a dick. 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 Back to Smokey. He's got that peanut almost gone. But yep, I'll show you words that they can do later in a later video. That's my sister. Don't.
Hey, I want to show you something.
Retard.